In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install QuickBooks 2026 on a Windows 11 PC. We're going to walk through the full process from start to finish in a simple, clear way so you can get QuickBooks installed without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you're working on your Windows 11 computer and that you have a stable internet connection, since you'll be downloading the installer directly from the official source. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to the official QuickBooks Downloads page. Once the page loads, take a moment to review the options carefully. You'll need to select your country first, then choose the correct product version that matches the copy of QuickBooks you want to install. After that, make sure you select the 2026 edition. This part is important because choosing the right version ensures that the installer matches your license and the software you intend to use. After you've confirmed those selections, click the download button. Your browser will begin downloading the installation file, which will usually be an .exe file. Save it to your Windows 11 PC and wait for the download to finish completely before moving on. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the file has finished downloading, launch it directly from your browser's downloads bar. This will open the QuickBooks installer. If Windows asks for permission to allow the app to make changes to your device, go ahead and approve it so the setup can continue. From there, the installation wizard will guide you through the next part of the process. When prompted, enter your license and product numbers exactly as they appear in your purchase or confirmation details. Be careful when typing these in, since even a small mistake can prevent the installation from continuing properly. It's a good idea to double-check the numbers before moving to the next screen. Next, choose the Express installation option. This is the easiest choice for most users because it automatically installs QuickBooks using the standard recommended settings. After selecting Express, click Next and continue through the wizard. The installer will then complete the setup for you. At the end of the process, select Launch QuickBooks to finish. Once the program opens, your installation is complete and you're ready to start using QuickBooks 2026 on your Windows 11 PC. If you run into any delays during setup, just give the installer a little time to finish and avoid closing it until the process is fully complete.